Hi, welcome to Soko Co's first video. We're going to show and demonstrate a lot of ways you can organize your pantry. Soko Co, we love organization. I have got so many tricks and ideas and simple tips that you can do to organize your pantry, declutter, and have really good access and easy access to all the stuff in your pantry. And everybody will always follow a simple procedure when you've got everything set out right. The product that I want to show you is such a simple product, very easy to install, and you'll be surprised how it will make your life really easy. Simple product, it's a runner system that mounts onto the shelf and slides in and out. As you can see, very easy to install. I'll do a quick installation and show you how it works and where you can maximize in your pantry with depth space and also vertical space. Very simple, easy. These baskets come in different sizes. They come in different heights, in different widths, and actually in different depths. So depending on the space that you have and what width you've got, we have a basket that will work. This is a divider. We have different types of dividers. Now you can divide and sort all your grocery shopping in this basket. As you can see, you now have the same stuff completely organized in a drawer, and you're now accessing what's at the back rather than it being cluttered all over the floor.